A former school counselor at Calvert Hall College is without a job after sexual allegations, misconduct allegations have surfaced. Apparently happened when he was working at a diocese in Pennsylvania. The Catholic Diocese of Pittsburgh says the brother David Trishtinger engaged in inappropriate sexual behavior with a minor when he worked at a school near Pittsburgh back in the 1980s. Now, he's worked at Calvert Hall from 2000 to 2007, and then he returned in 2016 until last Friday when the school learned of these allegations. Trishtinger is no longer living at the brother's residence there at the school near Towson. The president of Calvert Hall sent a letter home to students and parents about the allegations. Trishtinger is not accused of any inappropriate behavior from his time at Calvert Hall, but Brother John Kane is asking anyone who might be a victim or has any information to come forward.